Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FreshBooks for rental bookkeeping and expense tracking step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the FreshBooks website URL www.freshbooks.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the FreshBooks homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your FreshBooks account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you've entered your credentials, review them for accuracy. Click the Login button to access your account. You will now be taken to your FreshBooks dashboard. Here, you can begin tracking your rental income and expenses. Navigate to the Expenses tab on the left sidebar. Click the Add Expense button to input new expenses. Fill in the necessary details, such as amount, date, and category. Once you've entered all info, click the Save button. Now, to track your rental income, navigate to the Invoices tab. Click on the Create Invoice button. Fill in the invoice details, including client information and services provided. After entering the information, click Save and Send to send it to your client. Finally, regularly review your financial reports under the Reports section to ensure everything is in order. You are now successfully logged in and set up for rental bookkeeping and expense tracking in FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.